Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dantinos Machi here again. Today I want to show you guys how you can set up your home router. Okay, for the purpose of this video, I will be demonstrating this Linksys Cisco router. I will be demonstrating how you can set up your Wi-Fi password and your Wi-Fi SSID. I will also show you how you can change the IP address of the device, and I will also show you how you can set up the router name so it can be easily identified on the network. Okay, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and share to everybody. Feel free to comment on the comment section. Ask me any question and I'll be able to answer those questions. Okay, now my router is on. I can see the lights are on here. So the next step is for us to do the soft configuration, and I would like you guys to please come along as we work on it. So first, I have opened my network connection adapter, so you can see that both the Wi-Fi, wireless and the wired connections are both disconnected, and I'll be connecting the wireless. You see? So connected the wireless and is indicating that there's a connectivity from my system to the router. So I will also try to connect my cable. It's not connected yet, so okay, so now you can see that my Ethernet port, that is the cable connection, is also active. So this simply tells you that I can connect both through wireless and I also can connect through the wire. And if I check my status, I can see the IP address of the router. Simply go to properties, check IPv4. You see, I didn't set it up, it's on automatic. And to simply get the IP address of the router for you, okay, so I had to disconnect the cable. So you can also connect through the wireless if you do not wish to connect to wire. Here you can, yes, 192.168.1.1. Same IP address, different network interface. You see that I did not set up any IP configuration on my system, so hence. So I have connected both the Ethernet cable and I'm also connecting through the wireless. So I'll go ahead and open my browser. Since I now have the IP address of my router, let's verify. Go to details, 192.168.1.1. So we use the IP address 192.168.1.1. Username is admin, since this is a first time configuration. Password is also admin. So in this page, we can see the router name, we can see the internet connection type, and I'll be changing this router name to my home Wi-Fi. No need to put in any host name. You can see all the settings you can do on the setup, basic setup menu. You can change the local IP address if you wish, and this is the default IP address that comes with this router. Here you can change your time zone. So I'll just go ahead and change my time zone. So I'll be taking the +01. Okay, change it. So what I have to do next is to save my settings. Settings are successful. Okay, so let's continue. It's best to leave it on the automatic configuration for DHCP. So that way you don't need to bother yourself with what IP address your service provider is giving you. And now we'll be changing the IP address of this router. But first, we want to, okay, let's check from our command prompt. Let's confirm this IP address. So let's ping 192.168.1.1 to confirm connectivity. So you guys can see it properly. Okay. So you see 192.168.1.1 is responding fine, and I would like to change this IP address to 192.168.2.10. So this is going to be the new IP address of this router. So please pay close attention. I am going to leave the subnet marked the way it is. Okay, save. So now that the settings have been saved, we no longer reach this router with the old IP address, and it's not going to respond because we've changed the IP address. We cannot reach this device again. Okay, so to confirm, let's ping 192. 192.168.1.1. Enter. Now, unlike the first response we got from pinging this address, we have a request timeout. Yes, we have a request timeout. So the IP address has successfully changed, and we can no longer reach this router with the old IP address that we logged in with. Okay, so let's ping 192.168. What's wrong with me? 192.168.2.10. Voila! Okay, so our new IP address is, okay, no, it has not synced on my cable yet, so let's check on the wireless interface. So on the wireless interface, I have 192.168.2.10. So you see this IP address. This is our new IP address. Our IP address has changed. So on your browser, you use 192.168.2.10. might have to give it some time to come up. I'm not sure it has synchronized yet, but oh, nice. So admin, remember we've not changed the password and username. Sign in. Never. So we see on the setup page, the router name has been changed, the IP address has been changed. So we're going ahead to set up our wireless configuration, SSID and the Wi-Fi password. By default, it's asking me to use the PIN Wi-Fi protected setup, but no need to use this. We'll be going ahead and using the standard configuration. You can do so many things here on the Wi-Fi setup, on the wireless setup page. Sorry. Okay, so I'll be using the manual, so I can set my wireless network mode. You can see that we are still using the old SSID, and this will be changed now. You see, we're still using the old SSID. Let's change this to my home Wi-Fi. Home Wi-Fi, yes. Home. Wi-Fi. Leave the wireless SSID to broadcast. If it is disabled, then you can enable it, but since it's enabled, you can leave it. And you can choose any of the wireless channel. It's best to leave it where it is, but just for fun, I'm going to change it. So now we're going to save. So you give it some few seconds to synchronize the new name. So temporarily disconnected because we are no longer on Linksys, but you still see Linksys appearing on your wireless menu. Okay, so just for synchronization, I'm going to disable my wireless. If possible, disable my LAN cable. It's still showing me Linksys. Let's refresh, cancel. Enable. This is just me trying to, Oh, so let me enable my wireless card. Yeah, I got it. So now the home Wi-Fi is the new name, the new SSID for this router. So it's no longer Linksys. So I have successfully changed the SSID for this router. So next I'm going to set up Wi-Fi password for this router. Okay, so we are still on the IP address we set up. Basically, I just want to clean up. Good. So 192.1.10. Enable my Ethernet because I'm using two connections and I do not want downtime. I just love to have my redundant connection. I could have still done it wirelessly anyways. Okay, so my page is open. Okay, yes, everything well checked just as we left it. Router name changed, IP address changed. Okay. take some time to review your configurations. Okay, fine. Okay, so we're going straight to wireless configuration now. So at the wireless configuration, there you have the different security mode. You have the WPA2 personal, we have the WPA2 enterprise, and the WPA algorithm. I'll advise you go for the TKIP plus AIS, especially if you're using this my type of legacy router. You can play around them. Okay, you have different options, the TKIP only or the AES, or you can combine, but take my advice for it, combine the TKIP and the AES security mode. I have to show you all this so you can get further clarity on password and the rest. Maybe I'll even do a video about it. Should we always use strong password? Perhaps use something like capital letter, symbols and numbers. Then you can combine it with small letter words to make your password stronger. So this is an example of how you should set your password. Don't just use words or just numbers. Never ever do that. Okay, but for the purpose of this video, I'll be using capital letter P, ASSWD, number 4, Wi-Fi. Okay, this is just for the purpose of this video. But remember to use what suits you best and what you can easily remember. And I would also advise, before you save these settings, you copy this password and save it on a notepad. Okay? Okay, paste. So save this password on a notepad so you don't forget the password. You can save it anywhere in your computer, but I'm not going to be saving it. I'm just showing you guys. Okay, so save these settings. Voila. So now my Wi-Fi is secured, and I now have a new SSID name and a new password for this router. So you can just play among the status, review your settings, check the status of the routers and the rest. So this is much I can take for this video now, but my next video I am going to be showing you guys how to set access controls, how to block users, how to block websites, and how to keep your home router safe from malicious and unauthorized access. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube video, like this video, feel free to share it, and hit me up on the comment section. Bye for now. Cheers.